Hi guys, welcome back to Recipes Mania, finally. Today we are at my house and Krystal is making a recipe which she is going to be calling Very Veggie Potato Casserole, and she is going to get to take this one home today because it's not exactly my taste, but I'm sure it'll still be delicious. So let's get started.
Alana, you see that casserole dish that we already sprayed?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, if you could take all those potatoes, all those yummy, yummy potatoes, and put them in the bottom of the dish, that would be greatly appreciated, and we'll be right back.
All right, Krystal, what's next for the casserole?
The next step will be just a little bit of ketchup mixed in the mashed potatoes.
Oops. I don't know why I keep doing that. Just a little bit of ketchup mixed in with the mashed potatoes.
Yep, just a little bit for now.
Okay.
All right, interesting choice there with the ketchup on the mashed potatoes. Though I guess it's like French fries with mashed potatoes, as we were saying. So what's next, Krystal?
You ain't seen nothing yet. Okay, next comes the peas and carrots.
How much are the peas and carrots?
Like about, that's not a full bag, right?
No, it's about like half a bag.
Okay, I would say we'll use half the bag. We'll use
Half of the half?
No, we'll use the rest of it.
Okay.
My mom loves peas and carrots, and so do I.
And just mix it all together?
Nope. We'll just put that on the top for right now.
Okay.
We'll be right back because we're going to melt a little more butter on it. Now, Alana, if you would be so kind as to take that butter we just melted
Mm-hmm.
and drizzle that all over the top layer. Use all that yummy, yummy butter. Who doesn't love butter, am I right?
Everyone. I bet the cheddar cheese is next, isn't it?
Yep, half of it.
Okay.
Okay, now we're gonna use the bacon bits, half of those.
Half the bacon bits?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, now we're gonna use a little more ketchup.
Okay.
Okay, now the rest of the cheddar cheese. Now a little more ketchup.
Okay.
And the rest of the bacon bits on top. Doesn't that look good, you guys?
Yeah,
That looks delicious.
bacon and cheese.
Okay, now we're gonna put it in the oven for, I would say, 50 minutes. And 25 with the lid on and 25 with the lid off.
All right, and we have the oven at 375, I believe it was.
Yes,
Okay.
and we'll see it when we get back.
All right, it is done, and we've let it cool for a few minutes. And now we are going to have Alana do the taste test. How is it?
It's really good, Krystal. You did a good job with this recipe.
Thank you.
All right, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you back here next time at Recipes Mania. Bye, guys.